how to turn off the Defender in Windows 11. So if you want to do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to click on the search and you have to search for the settings. And once you will search for the setting, click on it and you will see this type of the screen. Now you have to click on the privacy and the security, and here you will see different options. Simply click on the window security. Okay, once you will here you will see virus and the threat protection. Click on it. Now here you have to scroll down and here you will see manage settings. Click on it and here you will see real-time protection. Simply turn off this toggle, and once you will do it, your Defender will be turned off. So this is the simple way to turn off the Defender in Windows 11. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.